Okay. Another example. Let me give you. Let us see if you have understood it. All right on the question. Pointing to a woman in a photograph. Pointing to a woman in a photograph. Pointing to a woman in a photograph. A man says, she is the mother of my daughter-in-law's husband's only sister. How women is related to man. Okay. Pointing to a woman in a photograph, a man says, she is the mother of my daughter-in-law's husband's only sister. How women is related to man. Now, who is the speaker here? Man. Where is my here? My. So you need to start here. So man is nothing but over here. Okay. Now they are telling my daughter-in-law means the man's daughter-in-law. How can a man have a daughter-in-law? Only if he is having a son. His wife is going to be daughter-in-law. Okay. Daughter-in-law's husband's only sister. Who is the husband of daughter-in-law? Son. His only sister is nothing but here, right? Sister. Now, now come behind. So this is the stopping point. Okay. This is the point where you stop. Remember, this is the point where you stop. She is the mother. She is the mother. They're telling. She is the mother of a woman. She is the mother means she is having a daughter, right? She is having a daughter. She is having a daughter. He is having a daughter. So this is what they are given. Okay. So now the question asked is how this woman is related to this man. So in this photograph there is a woman. How is this woman related to this man? Fine. Clear with the concept or any doubts? Okay. Until this you understood. Until this all clear. How you reach this point? How you reach this point? You're sure, right? Now what I said after reaching this point, you should go back and see the sentence. She is the mother of. She is the mother of. She is the mother. That means obviously she should have a daughter. She should have a son or a daughter. Now the given question is pointing to a woman in a photograph. A woman in a photograph, right? So she is the mother of that image. So she is going to have a daughter and she is in the photograph. She is going to have a daughter and she is in the photograph. And how is this man related to this? So this is the question. How is the woman related to the man? This is the man. How is this woman related to this man? Answer is granddaughter. Fine. Okay. Next question. Take it up. I'll make you solve different types. Pointing to a man in a photograph. Again the same thing. Pointing to a man in a photograph. Now a woman says. So who is the speaker? Women. He is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. He is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. How this man is related to the women? How this man is related to the women? The speaker over here is the women. Okay. They are telling only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law means this woman is having a son. He is married. Daughter-in-law's father-in-law. Who is this daughter-in-law's father-in-law? Okay, here. Okay. You are standing here now. Okay. This is your stopping point now. Then go back. He is the father. He is the father. Okay. He is the father. He is the father means whose father is he? This person's father. So now they are asking how is this man related to the women? Husband. Or how is this woman related to this person? Father. Right? Answer is husband only. Don't worry. See others who are like familiar with like higher level English. As soon as you read the things, you can analyze it. You can immediately also tell. For example, he is the father of my only daughter-in-law's father-in-law. So my only daughter-in-law means obviously like my daughter-in-law. Only father-in-law means my husband. So directly also you can come up with the conclusion. But if you are continuously reading these kind of things, you will understand it. Else it becomes difficult. So obviously you start following this method, it becomes easier for. Okay. Next question, take it up. Pointing to a woman in a photograph. Pointing to a man in a photograph. A woman says, he is the only son. He is the only son. Pointing to a man in a photograph. A woman says, he is the only son of the only daughter-in-law of my only son's father. How is the man related to the woman? Now who is the speaker here? Women is a speaker. Okay. Next, start from my. So my only son's father. Only son's father means okay. Only son. She is having a son. Son's father is going to be here. Husband. Okay. Husband is the starting point for you now. Now go back one by one sentence. One by one sentence. Go back. Don't start from beginning. Okay. Go back. Only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law means son's wife. Okay. Now stop here. Then go. He is the only son. He is the only son means these people are having kids. Only son. Now they're asking how is this woman related to this person? Grandson. So, okay. Easy to analyze. So you'll be able to solve the question. Last question. Take it. Pointing to a woman in a photograph, a man says, she is the sister-in-law of the only daughter of my mother-in-law's husband.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, please repeat the question, sir.
Yeah, I'll repeat. Of my mother-in-law's husband. Okay, I'll repeat the question. Listen. Pointing to a woman in a photograph, a man says. Okay, pointing to a woman in a photograph, a man says, she is the sister-in. She is the sister-in-law. She is the sister-in-law of the only daughter. She is the sister-in-law of the only daughter of my mother-in-law's husband. Of my mother-in-law's husband. How is the woman related to the man? Who is the speaker here? Man. So my starts my mother means the man's mother-in-law's. So like my mother-in-law. Start from there. My is nothing but man. He's telling my mother-in-law's husband. So mother-in-law means he's married. He's married and this daughter is having her parents. Mother-in-law's husband means I'm stopping here. Husband. Stopping here. So from this stopping point, I'm going a step ahead. The only daughter. Only daughter means obviously this person. This person. She is a sister-in-law. Sister-in-law means obviously it is husband's sister. Husband's sister. Now they're asking how is this woman related to this man? Sister. That's it. Clear the concept. Man's mother-in-law. Man's mother-in-law. Who is man's mother-in-law? If he is married, her parents' mother is his mother-in-law. Mother-in-law's husband. This person has go back one step. The only daughter means this person's only daughter is she. Stopping here. Go back another step. She is a sister-in-law. Sister-in-law means for this person who can be a sister-in-law. If husband's sister can be sister-in-law. Sister. So what's the relationship between this person and man? Fine. Clear. Any kind of problem can be attempted. Let's see. Pointing to a person, a man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. How was the woman related to the person? Come on. Now you are searching like, sir, where is my here? Okay, wait. His mother, a man said to a woman. Okay, let us directly try it out. Pointing to a person, a man said to a woman, his mother. His mother means man said to a woman. Okay. His mother means a boy is there. His mother. A boy is there. His mother is the only daughter of your father. Okay, here we start with your father. Okay. Here instead of my, you start with of. Okay. Start with of and do it. Start with of. Of you start. Of is my here. Your father. So of is nothing but the man, right? The man is telling to the women, he's just speaking. Okay, he's just speaking. So there is no relation between them. Your father means the women's father. The women's father is nothing but father. Go behind now. Only daughter. Obviously, this person's only daughter is she. Okay, you're stopping here. His mother. So she is the mother of someone. She is the mother of someone. So now they're asking, how is this woman related to this person? How is this woman related to this person? Mother. That's all. Done. See, here you do not have my, right? You do not have my here. Instead of my, you start with of. Here it is a third person speaking, not the speaker itself. Here the third person speaking. A man said to a woman. All start from off. This is the man. He is telling to the women. He is just speaking. Okay, he is just speaking to the women, and he's telling your father of your father means her father. Fine with the first step. The clear it is. Okay, go back. Only daughter. Father's only daughter is she. Go back. His mother means this person is a mother means she's having a kid, a son or a daughter. So now, how is this woman related to this person? Mother. Fine. Okay. Go to the next one. Looking at a portrait of a man, Harsh said, his mother is the wife of my father's son. Brothers and sisters, I have none. At whose portrait was Harsh looking? Now we are having my speaker is Harsh. My is going to be Harsh. Harsh father. Father's son. Harsh father's son. You should tell. Right.
The answer is his son, sir.
Yes. Son. What was difficult here? Son. Answer is son. What is difficult over here? I asked you to people to start with my. Who is my now? Harsh. All clear with this? What is the next sentence? Father's son. Obviously, he's having a father. Father's son is nothing but Harsh. Fine. All clear with this point? Okay. Brothers and sisters, I am none. Means no siblings. Fine. No siblings. Go back a step. Wife. Wife of my. Wife means he's married. He's married. Yes or no? His mother. His mother means this person is having a son or a daughter. Son or a daughter. Like father's son. His mother means this means obviously the son. So is his son. So now whose portrait is Harsh looking? Son's photo. That's it. What was difficult here? Analyze the question. Clear? Not clear. Logical reasoning is everything going to be your thinking capacity only, not I can only teach you certain tricks, but implementing it and analyzing each and every question is going to be in your hand. If it is for numbers means I can give you like how it is going to happen. Is it in AP, GP, HP, something I can tell, or I can tell you it is square, cube, that is all standard things. Here you have to think and come up with the logic. Okay, next one. Pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. I need this answer right. Sister of father. Okay, see here. Pointing to a lady, a man said, so who is the speaker? Man is the speaker. The son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. So my is the starting point for you. Man is speaking. Okay, let me just. Okay, man is speaking. His or like wife. So wife, you're stopping here. Go back one step. Is the brother. So she is having a brother. Find brother. Son, the son of her only brother. Son of her only brother. So this person is the son of her only brother. So brother means again relation of a sister, right? So son, so he is the son of her only brother. So this person is the son of her only brother. Now what are they asking is, how is this woman related to this man? For this man, this person is father-in-law and this person is sister of father-in-law, right? Clear? Online, see, if you are comfortable reading it in the forward ways and solving it, do it. I'm just giving a trick. So if you want to approach it from the forward way, it would be like this. Pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother. Only brother means obviously she is having a brother, and like for the son of the only brother. Son of the only brother means here is the brother of my wife. So now in this statement you'll get stuck. Is the brother of my wife means who? No, is the brother of my wife. So my wife means again. So if this is the brother, this becomes the brother of my wife. In this way, if you take, if you are comfortable, do it. Else, if you get confused, don't. Fine, we'll come to it. We'll come to it. Okay. Now sixth one. P is brother of Q and R. Q and R. S is R's mother. T is P's father. Which of the following statement cannot be definitely true? Cannot be definitely true. P is brother of Q. P is brother of Q. Yes. Q and R. R is also there. Q and R. Fine. Yes or no? Q and R. S is R's mother. Fine. S is R mother. T is P's father. T is P's father. So if T is P's father, obviously these people are married. All three are siblings. Fine. Now, which of the following statements cannot be definitely true? So means it is a false. It is false. T is Q's father. Is T Q's father? Yes. This cannot be the option. S is P's mother? Yes. It is true. It cannot be the option. P is S's son? Yes. Q is T's son. How can you tell Q is not mentioned whether it is a male or a female? So you cannot conclude that Q is a male. So this cannot be the option. This is the self-request. Right? Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Introducing a man. A woman said he is the only mother of my mother's mother. How is the woman related to the man? He is the only son of my mother's mother. How is the woman related to the man? Sister. Sure. Always confused. Sister means sister is written. Aunt means aunt is written. Niece, sir.
Niece, sir.
Sorry?
Is it niece? Option D.
I need to see. Wait. Let's see. Sister. Okay. Let's see. Pointing to a woman. Introducing a man. A woman said, women is the speaker. My mother's mother. She is having a mother. She is having a mother. Mother's mother. Okay. I'm stopping here. Only son. Only son means obviously her son is here. Okay? He is the son of my only mother's mother. So now they're asking what's the relationship between this person and this woman? Niece. How can it be sister? Niece. Niece is the answer. Understood? Did not understand. Mother's mother. Until this step you understood. Mother's mother. Go back. He is the only son. Means who is the only son? This person's only son. This person's only son means her son. No. This is her daughter. This is her son. This is her son. And these both are siblings. These both are siblings. Obviously, relationship between this woman and this person is niece. Right? You need to stop where you stopped and then go back. Check what is the relationship between that person and that person. Find it out. Clear? Confused? Clear? I'm making it as simple as possible. Still, if you're having doubts, clear it out so that no mistakes are made.